guys, David out at Hopper Cycle Center. Got a new one in today, 2015 Harley Davidson Softail Breakout. This thing's got 3,900 miles, electric blue color, Vance & Hines short shots, Screaming Eagle high flow intake, quick detached sissy bar. This thing is really cool. Got a big wheel on the front, fat tire in the back. It's got the 103 6-speed. This will turn some heads when you ride around town on this thing, I guarantee it. If you want some more information, go to our website, hoppercyclecenter.com. You can reach me by phone, 972-984-9541. Thanks for watching. Hopper Cycle Center, best little bike shop in Texas.